Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the different types of applications of definite integral and what different types of sums that we are going to solve in this chapter. The definite integrals have a wide range of applications in the field of engineering, mathematics, as well as physical science. Geometrical applications of definite integral include calculation of area under the curve, also area between the curves, and volume obtained after solid revolution for a given curve. And also we have surface area and length of arc. The physical application of definite integral include calculation of masses, center of mass, and also work. In this chapter, we are going to study only the geometrical applications like calculation of area under the curve, area between the curve, and volume obtained after solid revolution. Such applications are only understood only when you have the knowledge of drawing different types of graphs. So in this chapter, basically we should have knowledge of drawing standard parabolas and different types of ellipse and circle. I hope friends you have understood this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.